Princess and the frog. Tiana's surprised dinner guest. It was a beautiful afternoon in New Orleans. The perfect day for some good food and good times with friends. Charlotte, honey, Big Daddy Rabouf called out his daughter. How about going to Tiana's palace for supper tonight? Oh, Daddy, that would be wonderful. Just give me a minute to change it. A little later, they drove off. They didn't realize that their dog, Stella, was asleep in the back of the car. Big Daddy, shouted Princess Tiana said when her friends arrived. Would you like to sit with my mama and Nevin's parents? Why, I can't think of anyone better to share my supper with than Odura and your in-laws, Big Daddy replied. Meanwhile, Stella had woken up. She loved the smell of Tiana's big nuts. She followed her nose right into the restaurant's kitchen. Looky here, shouted one of the cooks. We have a visitor. Here you go, puppy. Have some of this gumbo. It's a new recipe. Stella spent a happy evening in the kitchen while Charlotte and Big Daddy dined to jazz music and talked with their friends. Stella was getting all kind of treats. At the end of the night, Prince Navin's parents got ready to leave. They offered Edna a ride home. Charlotte and Big Daddy had left a few minutes earlier without Stella. Why, thank you, Edna said. Turning to Princess Tiana, she said, I have never heard the band play quite that well. And that new gumbo, absolutely delicious. I'll see you later, sweetheart. A few minutes later, Louis and the band went to the kitchen for their evening meal. Grrr! Oof. Stella was terrified of the giant alligator. Oh, now hold on, little dog. Louis spoke to Stella. I'm not here to eat you. I just wanted to taste of the chef's new gumbo. The kitchen staff backed away. Tiana and Naveen heard the commotion. When they went to the kitchen, they saw that both Stella and Luz seemed frightened. Stella, what are you doing? Tiana asked. She patted the dog. Don't worry, Luis is our friend. He wouldn't hurt anybody. That's true, Naveen cried. He's nothing but a big guy with a bigger heart. Cautiously, Stella walked toward Louis. Once she realized he was harmless, she relaxed. Then she noticed the smell of some delicious chicken. Tiana smiled. Let's get dinner for you all. I didn't take long to put together a supper of that evening's leftovers. The staff ate whole. Prince Nevin played the ukulele. Tiana even made some of her special magnets just for Stella. Before dawn, the prince and princess dropped Stella back at Charlotte's house. No one had even noticed she was missing yet. Good night, Stella, Princess Tiana said, giving the dog a big hug. Now that you know how much fun we have at the restaurant, you should come by more often. Oof, oof, Stella barked. The dog knew she'd return to Tiana's palace the next chance she got.